This is day 3 of my 10-day water fast. The start of the day, I weighed in at 161. So that's versus 164 for day 2 and 167 day 1. So a total of 6 pounds. About day 2, day 2 was actually pretty rough. I actually had to take a knee in yoga, like in the first 30 minutes. I just, and it wasn't due to dizziness or nausea. I just literally didn't have the energy to stand up during the standing series and like hold my arms up. I mean, this was just like, it required an enormous amount of effort. So I, am rethinking yoga and just, sticking to strictly water with the touch of the apple cider vinegar. Now I'm thinking that I will take a packet of Emergency before, like an hour before the start of my yoga class today, to see if that will help, make a difference, help me to at the very least get through the class. If that doesn't work, I will look to add something else with some calories. And I say that because in 2 days, 3 pounds a day, it's actually more weight water loss than I had anticipated. I anticipated something in the in the 1.5 to 2 pound range, and that's on top of being fairly healthy and eating reasonably well for months. Some of the issues that other people on a water fast have complained about, like massive diarrhea and massive stuff in their excrement and things like that, I've actually not experienced, and I think that is largely because there's not like a pile of meat, for example, that's been in my system for years. I do eat meat. I'm not a vegetarian, but I don't eat much meat. So, and I am a huge consumer of vegetables. So so who knows what my body is finding to get rid of at a rate of so far 3 pounds a day. So, quick recap. It's the start of day 3. Weighed in at 161. So that's 3 pounds down from yesterday and 6 pounds down from my start. I had planned to, stick to my hot yoga regimen. It's a 90-minute class. Yesterday, I made it through like 30 minutes of the 90-minute class. Today, I decided not to do an early class, but to do a later class, and about 60 to 90 minutes before that class, to have a bottle of water with one Emergency packet included, and I'll probably show the packet of Emergency tomorrow to see if that makes a difference, if it allows me to have the energy to get through the yoga class. That's all I have for today, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 4 of my 10-day water fast.